Hey everybody, Molly here, and today we are at Hollywood Studios. It is officially Christmas time here at Walt Disney World, so we're ready to get inside and see all the festive stuff done for Hollywood. They really do, I think, the best job at showing all the holiday stuff here at this park. So, Toy Story Land, we're gonna see it all, and then we're ready at nighttime for some snow, right? Our Florida snow made out of soap. Snowing.
Snow.
All right, here we go. We decided right off the bat we're gonna go eat first because we're gonna go get some pizza at Pizzerizzo's, or however you say it, and they close at 5 o'clock, so we don't want to head to Slinky Dog yet before we eat, so let's go get some food. Look guys, Santa's straight ahead, he's hanging off the fire escape. So we just finished eating at Pizzerizzo's and it was delicious pizza as usual, and Logan got a cup. Oh my goodness, the cutest sippy cup ever. Mickey Snow Globe. Okay, so that's our first merchandise that we got for the holiday season. So we are so excited now to go on to Toy Story Land, see the holiday stuff, and ride Slinky Dog. So here we go. Woo! Cup, cup. Look how neat the sign looks at nighttime.
Howdy, partners. Sheriff Woody here to wish you a rootin' tootin' holiday season.
There's a photographer here. What? Is he talking to you guys? Look, they added some ornaments and he's got a scarf. Okay.
Hey, howdy, hey. My name is Woody, and this is where toys come to play.
Wow. Okay, Slinky Dog says 85, but there is like nobody out here, so I don't think so. Let's go. Alright, we are here in line for Slinky Dog, and it was so fun standing out there watching the ride go by. It said 85 minutes, but there is like almost no wait here compared to anything I have ever seen. I've always had to wait in this area. Now we're walking through. So hopefully not 85 minutes. We'll let you know. Let's go.
Hi, Mom. Here we go.
amazing. And now we are heading over to see decorations at night. Oh, and look to the right, the ornaments. Oh, alien ornaments, those are so cute. It's just so pretty walking through here at night. Oh, here comes Slinky. Ooh, Slinky at night. All right, so they gave some antlers up there to Rex. And the Christmas lights, of course, go for Christmas, but it's so cute. Okay, we're all done here?
Yes.
See lots of lights, and the tree is all lit. Look how pretty it looks. And it's kind of like soap, and we call it snow. Oh, a snow man. All right, so I guess you probably don't want to get in your eyes because it's really snow, soap, and not snow. But oh my goodness, it's close to it. Favorite ice cream sundae here. Alright, Logan, we found the DJ. He's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
And look who it is! We found Cruz. Oh, she got the piston cup. Alright, so we finished our sundae. We came down. Oh my god, that was bright. So we finished our delicious sundae. We came and we saw Cruz down here because we hadn't seen Cruz in forever. And now we're on our way out. We saw the building, do the show, and we saw all the snow. Oh, I love the snow because we're in Florida. We don't get snow. The closest thing we're ever gonna get is snow. So that's super fun. So we get to go back down the street on our way out and see all the pretty decorations one final time in the dark, which is the best way to see them. So let's go.